Hello and welcome back to the Volume Vegan Cooking Channel. I decided to do a little something different for this Christmas morning to show you what Santa had planned for my kids' vegan Christmas stocking. Now do keep in mind that not only is my kid freshly 18 years old and a senior in high school, but he is also an edgy kid who likes Hot Topic and experimenting with makeup. So keep that visual in mind because I'm sure what goes in here isn't what you think that Santa Claus would pick up for your kid. Stockings have always been full of candy in my family, so being that I'm not a Grinch, I asked Santa to pick out some vegan candies to make the stocking fun. We have some of these Yum Earth organic giggles, which are their version of Skittles. What I found consistently across these candies, as I taste tested them for safety and accuracy, of course, is that they are better than the products that they're substituting. The flavors of these are incredible, and they come in individual packs, so I can just throw a few of them in. I found these Naughty brand lemon double stuffed almond butter cups and knew they would be a hit. I was not wrong. They are absolutely amazing. I am someone who misses Reese's peanut butter cups, and while these are definitely not chocolate and peanut butter, they do not have to be. They are incredible. The textures, the flavor, the mixture of salty and sweet, they're dangerous. I think Santa is going to have to put most of these in this stocking over here because it would be best for me not to have access to those. I also got these lovely organic chewy candies that are a better version of Starburst, and they are also absolutely incredible. The flavor profile is so strong and so amazing, so much more profound than the classic Starburst. So my kid is also very into skincare. A great way to limit sweets in a stocking is by stuffing it with other small things that the stocking receiver will love. So Santa is bringing him some body polishing loofah scrubbers. And we usually stick in like lip scrubs and lip balms. But after a few years of doing that, you tend to have like 5 different lip balms laying around. So Santa found this 3-pack of reusable lip exfoliators that might get used more, or at least won't sit around and be perishable and gross. My kid is into punky clothing and jewelry, but he is a man-sized person with man-sized hands, and he has a hard time finding little fashion rings like teenagers would wear that fit without it being like a whole financial investment. So Santa got him some adjustable ones to help add some flair. He's a curly-haired babe, so we got him a little curling cream. And then we found some small facial masks he can try. This one is a charcoal-based detox one, a skin brightening peel mask, and a hydrating clay mask. Santa also got him a pack of different colored vegan eyeliners because he's an edgy babe, and a selfie stick because my kid wants to borrow mine all the time. It's a sea life stick, right? As he and I finally enter the early 2010s with our now both being proud selfie stick owners. And finally, a pack of septum piercing jewelry because he has a little nose ring. And in this pack, you can't see it, of course, but there are there's 12 different little pieces of jewelry in there. And that's it. Thank you so much for checking out another one of my videos. I know there's not a whole lot of food in there, but I hope that it helps kind of give you ideas. Well, this is going to come up on Saturday morning, so it's going to be a little late for ideas for your own Christmas stockings. But if you're looking for some vegan goodies, some ideas for next year, just different things that you can put in that aren't necessarily just food related. If you're ever curious about what to get vegans, I thought I would kind of include some of the stuff that I put in there, and I hope you liked it. Please like and share my video with your friends, get in the comments and tell me what you think, and of course subscribe to my channel while you're here. Turn on those notifications so you never miss another one of my videos. Have a wonderful week. I hope you eat really good today. Happy holidays. I'll talk to you very soon. Bye bye.